As we invest in our business, we rely on local companies such as Lorenville Mechanical, Eaton Electrical, and many others to execute huge volumes of work. These shuts are a major time commitment for our employees, and they work very long hours. But thanks to St. John companies like Vitos, everyone is very well fed.
We've given back to the community. We've been part of the community through sport, through culture, through music, and we take a lot of pride in that. And then obviously we have a lot to do with, we have to thank our customers for that. And a big part of it is Irving and their mills. And when they have their maintenance programs, it's an opportunity for us to feed them. And at the same time, it gives us an opportunity to continue on with our initiatives with, giving back to the community. So it's a win-win. And
thank you, Vitos.
We are proud to be supporting the local economy, and especially small family-owned businesses like Vitos, who've been around in the St. John community for almost 50 years, almost as long as we've been making paper here on Bayside Drive. It takes many of these companies to help make these shutdowns a major success.